Joy!
Hi everybody! Today I'm gonna film with these Disney princesses and I got them from Disney World.
They're so beautiful.
Yeah.
Can you tell their names?
Yes. Her name is Snow White. No, it's actually Cinderella and Aurora, Anna, Elsa, Snow White, Ariel, Belle, and Rapunzel.
They are all beautiful. Look
Yeah.
at Rapunzel's hair.
She's
She
so
has all those clips in.
Yeah, and I saw the video of her.
Did you like it?
Yes, and I also went to Disney World.
Yeah, nice.
It's so cool with all those colorful rides.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna pick which princesses I want to explore around my realm.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick Cinderella and Belle.
Okay. Where do you want to start?
Right over here.
Okay.
Look at all those horses, Cinderella. Yeah, and they also have crowns on them, right?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's a big collection of horses.
Yeah, I have a big collection of them.
Yeah. Maybe Cinderella wants to go ride a horse?
Yeah. I choose this horse and I choose this horse. Oh, Cinderella, she has a lost shoe. We lost it at the palace.
Oh, it's okay. I'll find it.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Are you okay?
Oh, even the horse is falling down.
Yeah, I think it fainted. No, it didn't.
Okay, who wants to ride first? Go with Cinderella, because I think she's kind of dizzy now.
Yeah. Go, horsey, go! Is it so much fun on the horse?
Yes.
Your turn, Belle. Yay! One more time. Let's explore some more. Oh, look, it's a little baby. Wait, wait, wait.
Oh, you better take care of him.
Yeah. Let's take it. So we better hold it with this little thing. Oh no, the baby.
The baby fell. Thank God it's not a real baby.
Yeah. Come on. Don't cry anymore.
She's
It's okay.
cold.
Let's put her blanket.
Oh.
Okay, we'll be here with the baby. Somebody else can go explore. Okay.
Who wants to go?
Okay, I want to choose Rapunzel and Aurora.
Nice.
They're so pretty. We want to climb up because we see some pretty birdies there. Okay, go ahead, girls. You can climb up these little rocks. Okay. We climbed up.
Ooh, so many toys there.
Yeah. Hey. Oh no. Oh, look at these cute birdies. Oh, hi, ponies. Hi. Hello. Oh, I love your diamond wings. Thank you. And I love your strawberry wings. Thank you.
They're so pretty.
Yeah.
Both nice and pink.
And we're little life pets.
Yeah.
Cool.
Can you talk?
Yes, we can.
Go talk something, birdie.
Go talk.
I'm the prettiest bird you've ever heard.
Yes, you are pretty.
Yeah. Maybe you can say something to it. Hello. Hello. Again? Princesses that are the best. And this is where you turn it off. Oh, look at all this Sofia collection. Whoa, and there's so many Sofia, the first characters. Yeah, there is.
Look at how many dresses.
Yeah.
Hi, Sophia's.
Hi. But why is there a cat over there?
A cat?
Yeah, it's hidden in there.
Oh, you put a cat to Sophia's collection.
Yeah, super cute. And they also have an owl collection.
Oh, let's see.
It's right in this little white box. Have to open it up here. Apples!
Ooh, so pretty. Can you put them down there?
Yeah, and this is my kitty. And my sister also has a kitty collection. Spill them down. And look at this teal color. It's so pretty. Ooh, look at all of these owls, Rapunzel. Yeah, they're so cute. Aurora, you can count them. Okay. So she's gonna count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oops.
There's 9 of them.
9 owls.
Yeah.
I think we should go back and let 2 other princesses explore
Yeah.
now.
Oh, look, but there's more here.
Oh, what's here?
There's a little tower.
There's the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, and remember that I filmed with this little butterfly?
Yeah,
So cool, and now it's in my room.
pretty. Is it fluttering?
Yeah, maybe we just have to
Turn it on?
Yeah, right over here.
I think it's the other way around.
Yeah, right over here.
No, like this. Let's see. Is it doing anything?
Oh, whoa.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Whoa.
We love him.
Yeah, and its name is Candy Swirl.
Can we keep it? Can we keep it?
Sure. Okay.
Thank you.
Now let's turn it off.
Still doing it.
Come on. Come on. Don't want to be like that forever. Oh my gosh.
It's okay. I think it's doing it for a while and then it stops.
Yeah. Maybe if you put it in the middle, this button, we'll be staying here with the butterfly, and Anna and Elsa will go explore.
Okay.
Let me get them.
Yay! Our turn.
Yes, it's your turn, Anna and Elsa.
Okay. Where are we going now?
You're going to meet those Barbies there.
Okay. Hello, Anna and Elsa.
Hi.
Oh, Gracie has so many toys. Look at all these beautiful dolls.
Yeah, so pretty. Oh, and hi, Stacy. We didn't see you there. Hi,
Hello.
girls.
And look at that Barbie sitting on the car.
Yeah,
And who's that sparkly one?
I think it's Store Lily. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and look at those little dolls there.
Oh, what are they?
I think they're for some shoppies. 2 shoppies.
2 shoppies, they're sleeping.
Yeah, with their Shopkin friends.
And what's in here?
Let's open it. Eh. Whoa, another baby.
Oh, look at that. It's a baby boy.
Yeah, and it's sleeping. Oh, what do I see in
Look
here?
at all these small toys.
Yeah, I found a seahorse and a dolphin. What else? A fishy? And look at this little hamster. Oh, look, diamonds!
Ooh.
And bouncy balls. Is there any more bouncy balls?
No.
And look at this cool metallic bird.
Nice.
It has a very long tail. Oh, look at this little stingray.
Hey, we want to see. We want to see.
Okay. Little stingray. Hey, Anna, look at this owl. Oh, it's like a little snow yellow. Ooh.
So cute.
Yeah, it's so furry.
Oh, I don't have anything.
It's okay. You can have oh, look, flounder.
Flounder.
Let's
That's
give
for
it.
Ariel.
Yeah, let's give it to her. Ariel, I found flounder.
Oh, I'm glad you did because I was missing it.
Here you go.
Good job.
Okay. Now Elsa, she can have an owl pet, and Anna can have a bird pet. And they're both holding them. Ooh, ooh. Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, our birds flied away.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Stay, stay. Oh, where are they now?
Let's search for them. Okay. Maybe they're in the car. Well, we have to climb up. Oh, I see them. Hey, that's my pet. Yeah. Here's your owl. Got it. Oh, I got you out.
Why are you hiding from us?
Ooh. Okay, don't fly away this time. Now let's take care of our birds here, okay, Elsa? Okay. Now it's Ariel's and Snow White's turn. Don't worry, Flounder, she's gonna come back, okay? Okay. 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 Just... Oh, look at this bouncy bed. Let's go on it. But first, let's see if those dolls are awake now. They are awake.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, Snow White.
Hi.
Hello, Ariel.
Hi.
Who are you girls?
Well, I'm a princess and I'm a ballet girl.
Oh, and you're playing with Gracie?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to jump on the bed together?
Sure.
Let's go then.
Okay. Gonna take them all. Whoa. Oh no, Ariel's shoe. It's okay, I'll get it after. They're all on my little comfy bed. And look at this delish donut pillow that I have.
Oh,
And I can sleep on her all day.
I think Ariel and Snow White want to feel that pillow.
Yeah. Okay, come on, let's feel it. Aren't you coming, dolls? Yes, we're coming. Ew, it's so soft. Yeah. Oh, look, it's us on the pillow. Here's me and here's me. And we're beside each other. Yeah. Let's go bounce on it. Whee! 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 It's so much fun. We're so tired. Let's go rest on this teddy bear. Okay. So soft. And we want to rest on this pillow.
Everybody goes to sleep.
Yeah.
What about you?
I'm going to sleep too. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye. Nighty-night.
For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.